Water is the most crucial element needed for human activity on the planet. While 71% of the earth is covered in water, only about 3% is usable fresh water. Since water demand increases with population, the proper reuse and obtention of water have now become a critical necessity all around the world. It is important to note that in Mexico, the geographical distribution of water does not match to the population distribution. The areas with the highest population density are those that do not have easy access to the vital liquid. Querétaro is one of these cases. Nowadays, Querétaro finds itself in a serious problem. In the metropolitan area of Querétaro, there are no rivers or bodies of water to supply the city. The water that the city uses comes from underground aquifers. With population growth, the extraction of water has become greater than the amount of liquid that is recovered in the mantles. By 2030, the water supply will be compromised. The solution? Find other ways or strategies to obtain water. Air is mainly composed of oxygen, nitrogen, and argon. The rest are other types of gases, among which is water vapor. Water is the only substance in the atmosphere that can condense or evaporate under the environmental conditions on Earth. The water vapor present in air condensates when the right conditions are met. One way to do so is to lower the air's temperature to the dew point temperature. That's exactly what our prototype does. Using Peltier cells as the cooling element of our system, with the proper heat and cold dissipation elements, all these combined with the proper materials and instrumentation, it is possible to calculate the dew point temperature using environmental temperature and relative humidity measurement. Then, the Peltier cells lower the temperature of the contact surface to the dew point, so that when the air comes into contact, the water particles condense on the same. This first prototype will help us to understand and analyze all the factors that affect air-water condensation, so that in the future we will be able to replicate the system in a greater scale, implementing them in water refill stations around the city. And not only that, but also we can supply water to those communities that don't have easy access to the vital liquid.